God damn. Boom. Box one, done. Kinda don't wanna, oh, I've already broken it, too bad. Let's go. Movie Flame, have me on your channel. I will trivia you to death.
A package I've been waiting for my entire life has just arrived. I've always wanted like a badass bookshelf, a library even. I mean, the one I've got now is awesome.
I mean, it has this little ropey bit here that I made for Trout. Where's Trout? Oh, he's there. Hey, Trout. How are you doing? I've got my strange little Japanese lamp. I've got one of these things. What is this called? It's called you tap it and the light, a book nook. You can see it's like, woo, family photos and that's my mom. Weird little taiko drum up there. Love my bookcase. Pikachu.
But I'm talking about, you know, something floor to ceiling. Maybe it wraps around a corner, somewhere where I can keep every single book that meant anything to me.
Books that are meaningful to me, you know, like this one, Philip Pullman's Dark Materials. Man, I think it's the Everyman Library. All 3 books in one edition. Gorgeous. Or like books that, you won't believe this one, books that I got in North Korea, in a North Korean hotel lobby bookshop. Can you believe it? It's just pure North Korean propaganda, and it's written in French. And also books by people that I just look up to. Just kidding, guys.
Well, anyway, there's this one series that came out around the time that I was sent to boarding school, okay? And pretty much every year that I was there, a new book came out. So about a month ago, I bought the entire series, illustrated hardbacks, first editions, apparently, and it just arrived. God damn, it's a hot day.
And there's Trout. See, he loves this little like ropey bit I made for him. All right, unboxing in 1 hour. Can't believe I wore the same t-shirt for 3 days for continuity.
It's raining. So, if these are actually first editions, it should say first published in Great Britain in the year it was published. There will also be some notable misprints throughout the book, especially in the earlier books of the series. And, fun fact, the publisher got the author's name wrong.
10 minutes till my ferry. Time for a quick snack.
And now for the 20-minute ferry home. Not long now to go.
Back home, already covered in cat fur because of this guy. Trout. Hi, Trout. Let's unbox. Let's go. I can't believe I'm doing this. There's always some kid at school, right, whose parents would send them an early copy and they would just get it before any of us. And then like, oh, and then the quicker readers would finish it obviously before us slower readers, and they would tease us with spoilers for the books. Man. I even remember this one time, right, where, I'm just gonna tear this open. I even remember this one time where 12 kids in a dorm, and I just walked into the room and everyone was reading one of the books. Every single one of them all reading the same book. It was such an event whenever a book like this, whenever one of these books came out. Oh, wow. I've never done an unboxing video before. Am I supposed to admire the packaging? God damn. Okay. This is not very gracefully done. Boom! Box one, done. Now let's look at my beautiful leg. How cozy. Now let's tear this open. Look at all these they must have killed the rainforest making all these fragile stickers. TikTok boom, Vine boom. I keep calling it the TikTok boom. Whoa. I kind of don't want to. Oh man, yoga stretching. I kind of don't want to. Oh, I've already broken it. Too bad. Let's go. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, I guess. I'm going to put this back into scissor mode. Skeezors. Trout's gone over there because he's scared of all the weird noises I'm making. Right, Trout? He's looking at me very suspect. Oh, individually wrapped. I'm gonna go with this one first. I reckon this is the Philosopher's Stone. Let's go. Ooh, look at that! Oh my God! Illustrated. Hardback. Wow, okay. The errors. Before we go to page 53. Can you see that? First published in Great Britain. First edition, baby! Oh my God, the author's name is incorrect too. Joanne Rowling, or is it Rowling? And you see these numbers right here? That 14 indicates that this is the 14th printing. So this is the 14th printing of the first edition by Joanne Rowling. Woo! I was not scammed. I always get scammed. Okay, so page 53, when they're listing school supplies, it is supposed to say one wand twice. Oh no, one wand only appears once. So that error, one wand appearing twice on that list, appears on the first 500 paperback. So this is not a first 500 paperback, but it's a first edition with JK's name. Incorrect. 14th printing. I love it. Okay. Next one. Well, it's definitely not these two. Okay, it's this. It's two in it. This has got to be books 2 and 3. Oh my God. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful. This is exactly what I hate dust jackets. This is exactly the ones I read when I was at school. Ooh. Ooh. JK, JK. First published in Great Britain, 1998. J.K. Rowling. Okay, so the name. 22nd printing. So now if you go to page 245, oh, look at that. So beautiful. Letters from kids. Age 7 and 9 and 1/4. That's so sweet. Oh. Okay, so page 245. Instead of ancestors, it should say descendants. This is going to be quite boring for you. Blah, 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 blah. Remaining ancestor. There it is. Who is the last remaining ancestor? That should say descendant. So even though this is the 22nd printing, it's not focusing, god damn it. It still has that error. First edition, baby. Book 3. The one directed by that Mexican guy. The one that everyone thinks is the masterpiece. I think it's okay. Was it Carlos Ruiz Zafón?
No!
I'm not sure. Okay, open. J.K. Rowling, first published in Great Britain. 1098. What does that mean? Huh, I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Okay, which one's book 4? Book 4 was a big fat one, wasn't it? It's probably one of these. I'm going with this one. I just need to... Don't destroy it. What have you done? These are in excellent condition as well. Potter. And the Goblet of Fire. Oh my God, I am just getting this all right. All right, look at this fat, chunky mofo. ASMR, baby. All right, let's go to that page. $14.99. Someone's written in it, devalues it, but so cute. It's even in pink. Is there anything in the back again? I love how the pages are like yellowed and there's like a few scuff marks on the pages too. These books were well loved. I love that. Okay. Open. 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 Third printing. First edition. Oh my God, J.K. Rowling. No notable errors that I have written in my notes. Smell it. That's kind of weird. Boom, book 4. Which one do you think is book 5? I reckon these are the last 2 books. I reckon that's Half-Blood Prince. Just from the thickness. I reckon Order of the Phoenix, Half-Blood Prince, Deathly Hallows. I've been right so far. Let's go. Oh, yes. Look at me. I'm a true Potterhead. Movie Flame, have me on your channel. I will trivia you to death. Oh my God. Oh, it's a little bit messed up right there, but well loved. Notable errors, none that I can see in my notes. Got a little paper slip here. Don't know what that is. Throw it away. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God. Oh my God. First published in Great Britain. First edition. First printing. No numbers. This is the first of the first. First of the first. Oh my God, you're not supposed to collect books like this, especially if you're as, oh, it's a bit dirty, especially if you're as irresponsible and not knowing how to. St. Mungo's Hospital for Magical Maladies and Injuries, especially if you're as careless as me. Okay, and now, which one? It was the thinner one, right? Half-Blood Prince. The one where Snape kills Dumbledore. Oh no, this is Deathly Hallows. Okay, I'll put this over here. The one where Snape kills Dumbledore. Page 99, it will say 11 owls instead of 10 owls. This is not a flattering angle. I feel in this video there have been many unflattering angles of my face, most notably my chin. But Fuck me, that's beautiful. Let's go to page 99 and see if it has that misprint. There it is! 11 owls instead of 10. Hermione, will you shut up? You're not the only one who's nervous, barked Ron. Woof, woof! And when you've got your 11 outstanding owls, nice, it's got the misprint. Oh, the cat is here. Do, 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 do. Oh! Come on, boy, focus. First edition, first edition. First edition, first edition. And now, finally, Deathly Hallows Part 1 is called Harry Potter Goes Camping. But there's only one book, even though there are 2 films. Oh my God, look at Hermione's face. Look at Ron's face. Look at all their faces. This is first edition. Is it first edition, first edition? Do, 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 do. Oh! Autofocus. First published. First edition, first edition. Oh my God! Jeez. Look at that. That's a pretty good haul, man. These are first printing, first editions, illustrated Bloomsbury hardbacks. These are all first editions, but different printings. Oh my God, I am such a happy boy. I am going to sleep very well tonight. There you have it. All 7 illustrated hardbacks, all first editions as well. Can you believe that? These are first editions. What an incredible haul. Illustrated hardback, Harry Potter, Bloomsbury. No dust jackets because I hate dust jackets. And yes, I know, that's where the value is, but that's how I roll. And besides, I'm collecting something way more valuable. This is my childhood, right here. God, what books were meaningful to you when you were kids? Look at that. Look at that! Yoga feet.